Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I have just harvested my grafted bell peppers. I have grafted these peppers since a long time. I have grown the seeds and now I have just harvested these bell peppers. Very reddish and beautiful in color. All these are yellow and the green peppers, bell peppers. I have just used the bell pepper as sign and I have grafted those on the hot pepper rootstock. So all the plants were grown in a pot, like all are in pots. So I'm going to harvest the other one. Maybe I can film and harvest at the same time, but I think it would be difficult, so I'm just going to harvest it. Okay, somehow I have managed to adjust my mobile phone. Now I am going to harvest this bell pepper. This was green and just turned into yellow color after its maturity, and now I am going to harvest the other one, like from this area. So this one also just very beautifully grown. This pepper is too much beautiful. I'm just liking it very much. You can see it's grafted and it's very much like globular and popped up. It's very beautiful. You can see my peppers. I am just very much happy for these ones. Like, they are so beautiful, and I'm enjoying this right now. This is another one. I will also harvest these peppers. These are the green ones. So I'm harvesting these by just this little blade. I'm just taking it difficult to film it, but it is very good for me. Like this one I have harvested now. It's very easy. Then after this I will harvest this one. Yeah, those are very beautiful peppers. So all these peppers from green, yellow and red. I have just loved this video. I love these peppers. I have just grown them from seeds and grafted myself, and then just healed them, and now they are just very much beautiful to just eat or go into laboratory for some analysis. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.